Okay, yeah. So find the radius of curvature of given curve y square is equal to x cube plus 8 at minus 2 comma 0. It's very good problem. Why I will tell you. So y square is equal to x cube plus 8. Then y is equal to what? One minute. See. Now what you will get? 2y1 is equal to what you will get? Tell me. Is equal to what? Differentiate.
3x.
2y. Tell me. 3x square. So y1 is equal to what? 3x square by 2y. Now, if you find dy by dx at minus 2 comma 0 is equal to what you will get? Denominator, if you substituted y is equal to 0, what will happen? What? What will happen?
Undefined. Not
So,
defined.
not defined or infinite, correct? So, this formula is not allowed. Dy by dx formula not allowed. So, immediately what I will do? Actually, radius of curvature formula what I given? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square all power 3 by 2 divided by d square by dx square. Here y1 itself is spoiling. So what I will do, rho I will write the formula. If y1 is equal to infinity at given point, then radius of curvature is equal to 1 plus dx by dy whole square whole power 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx. Sorry, not d square y. D square x by dy square. So how you will do? X is function of y, like this you can do. Getting or not? Suppose if y1 is equal to infinity means what? Formula fully changes. Note down first. Noted?
Yes, sir.
So now actually in this problem what I got, actually dy by dx is equal to what I got? Our question. Dy by dx is equal to what? Infinity. So implies dx by dy what you will get? 1 by infinity is equal to what?
0. 0.
First order differentiation can be taken, reciprocal can be allowed, but second order we cannot do. We have to do, correct? Here, here dx by dy is what is the value you can check. What is dx by dy? What you will get? Dy by dx equal to 3x square by 2y means dx by dy. What you will get? Tell me from this. From this
Y
what?
by 3.
Huh?
2y by 3x
Yes.
square.
You can remember. That is okay. Can I write directly there? So dx by dy is equal to 0. Reciprocal is allowed for first order, but second order you have to differentiate. What is, tell me, sir? Dx by dy is what? Tell me. What is the value? 2x by 3y square.
Yes,
Huh?
y by 3x square.
2x by 3y square. Huh? 3y. Yeah. No, I think it's wrong. 3x square. 3x 2y by 3x square. Two y by 3x square. So can I write this is 2 by 3 y by x square. Correct? Now do second derivative. What you will get? D square x by dy square is equal to 2 by 3 can take outside. Denominator square. Okay. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. Here y become 1 not, you will get y1 actually. Minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. What you will get? 2x into x1 you will get. Am I correct? X1 means what? Dx by dy. Sir, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now x1 is equal to 0 means what? This whole quantity becomes 0. Now balance term is what? X square by x to the power of 4. So balance is what? 1 by x square. Correct? 1 by x square. After substituting the 1 by x square, but x value is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 square means what you will get? 1 by 4. Are you agreeing or not? Just like this, logically you can see.
Yes, sir.
This becomes 0. This is x square is what? 2 square, 2 square whole power 4. So again square will cancel. 2 square is balance. So what you will get? D square by dx square. I'm skipping actually. I don't want to substitute d square x by dy square is equal to what? 2 by 3, 1 by minus 2 whole square. Are you agree? Because this quantity is 0, x square by x to the power of 4, 1 by x square, and minus. Any doubt, sir?
The second step, what you explain, sir?
What?
Second step.
What?
Second step, can you explain again, sir?
This is C. Actually, d square x by dy square at minus 2 comma 0. Again, x1 0, you know, whatever may be this quantity 0. Correct? If I put x1 is equal to 0. Dx by dy 0, you know, this whatever maybe I don't want to see 0. But after this is 0 means balance term is what? X square by x square whole square. X square whole square means what? X square by x to the power of 4. Balance is what? 1 by x square. In x, if I put minus 2 means what? 1 by minus 2 square. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, each and everywhere you can value substituted. So 0 here, y also 0, 0, then 2 square, minus 2 square, minus 2 square whole square. Then you can cancel if you confuse means. So this square, this 2 will cancel. So this is what? 1 by 6. So x2 is equal to what, sir? 1 by 6. Any problem? This case is what? If it is 0 means you can change the formula. Now, right? What is the formula? Rho is equal to 1 plus x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2 square, where x1 if you want you can write dx by dy, x2 is what? D square x by dy square. Okay, now I want rho at minus 2 comma 0 is equal to 1 plus, what is x1 value? What is x1 value?
0.
Very good, 0. So waste. This is what? X2 square is what?
Sir, it will be only extra in the denominator.
Ah, x2 square means what? Dx by d2. y2 instead of y2, I'm writing x2. It's not a variable. Differentiation. What is the value? 6 or 1 by 6?
1 by 6.
1 by 6, sir.
1 by 6.
So total value is what? 1 divided by 1 by 6 is equal to what? 6. Rho is equal to what? 6. For given a problem, radius of curve is 6. Copy down. You want to see before side or can I move? Copied or not? Previous side also you want? First, no, copied or not everyone?
Yes.
This is copied. Like this. If it is 0 means carefully you can do. Formula you can change and write. Next we do another problem. Another thing you can remember, radius of curvature cannot be negative. That's also you can remember. Find the rho. Rho means what, sir? Radius of curvature. For the given curve x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Very good question. This is also at so this is y is equal to f of x. Then what is the formula? Rho formula can write. What is the rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Now given curve is what? Actually this is solution. Given curve is what? X cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Now differentiate, sir. X cube differentiation is what?
3x,
Huh?
3x square.
Very good. 3x square. Y cube differentiation?
3y square into 3y divided by dx.
3y square into, can I write y1 notation? Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 3a into UV method. X into y1 plus this I am differentiating y. X I am leaving freely. Now I am leaving y freely into x differentiation 1. Correct? So this is equal to what? 3x square plus 3y square y1 is equal to 3ax y1 plus 3ay. From this, y1 is equal to what you will get if you bring this side, then y1 is equal to what? 3ay minus 3x square divided by what I will get 3y square minus 3ax. Check whether it written wrong or not. These two I combined. This is I taken this side 3ay minus this y1. If you take common means what 3y square minus 3x1. So y1 is just I'm skipping. Check first. I mean written right or wrong? Is it correct?
Correct.
Then okay.
Correct, sir.
Fast.
Correct, sir.
Three ay minus 3x square minus 3y square minus 3x. Remember, again if I go next slide, you want to tell.
So we can cancel out all the threes, no, sir?
Yes, good. Also cancel. Now what is the balance? Ay minus x square, y
We
square minus
substitute
3x.
the values.
Y means x square, y square means x, like this. Correct?
Sir, you will get y1 as minus 1.
Wait, I'm coming. Can I move?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is y1? Ay square minus x.
Minus 1.
No. Y1 after 3 cancelling, what you will get? Ay minus x square. This is important because I want to use for y2. Y1 is equal to what? Ay minus x square, sir, correct?
Yes, sir. By y square minus ax.
Huh?
Y square minus ax.
Down you are telling, correct. Down is what? Now we see. Y1 at what point I want actually? At 3a by 2 what? 3a by 4 a check? Point
3 by
what?
2. 3 by 2.
Every time I'm making same mistake by 4 I'm writing. Why I don't know. Sir, before substituting, just you can think logically. This point y also 3a by 2, x also 3a by 2. So what you will get? A into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 square. This is what? 3a by 2 minus square minus a into. 1 is minus of other, correct or not? Suppose if I get 10 means what denominator I will get minus 10. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
This is a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square. This is what? 3a by 2 whole square minus a into 3a by 2. Clear or not? So I don't want to substitute, just I want to see. Otherwise, if you want point to substitute, also simplification, same thing will get. So this answer is what, sir? Minus 1 or not? 1 is 10 means what? Another is minus 10. 1 is 100 means what? Down is minus 100. Automatically both will cancel with minus 1 will stand. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So just like this you can substitute and see. Don't blindly substitute and don't confuse 3a by 2, 3a by 2, 3a by 2 whole square is don't confuse. Just logically can think always. Now tell me y2. Denominator square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. What you will get? A by 1 minus 2x, correct? Minus numerator into ay minus x square, differentiation of denominator 2y y1 minus a. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is y square, sorry. Now if you substitute, what will get? This 3 by 2 square minus a into 3a by 2. What will get? 3a square by 2. Correct? Substitute value, tell me what will it. This is also cancel actually. Same term with one minus you will get it. See y square minus ax and ay minus x square, one in other minus. This is 10 means what you get minus 10 actually. Same story, this is ay1 minus a, this is minus 2 into. This is what? Same thing with minus half you will get. Come on, what is the value? Tell me. Okay. Substitute and we'll see otherwise. Substitute also don't simplify. What is the term? Tell me. First term is what? Y square minus ax. So both are same values. So 3a by 2 minus square minus ax. A into 3a by 2. The first term. Then a y1. Y1 is minus 1. So minus a minus 2 into 3a by 2. Minus a minus 2 into 3a by 2, sir. 2 into 3a by 2. Okay, yeah. Minus half. Don't simplify actually, I will tell you what you will get. This is what? Ay minus x square. Same story. A into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square. Correct? Huh? Then this term into another term is what? 2y y1. 2 into 3a by 2 minus 1 minus a. 2 into 3a by 2 minus 1 minus a. This is 2 into 3, not 23. Okay, now you see 3a square by 2 means what? 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. What is this answer? This you can keep like this, I will tell you. Denominator what you will get? Whole divided by what you will get? Y square minus ax whole square. Correct? Huh? So this is what? 3a by 2 whole square minus a into 3a by 2 whole square. Sir, correct? Huh? Now we see 3a square by 2, 3a square by 2. This is what? 3a square, this is minus half this. If you take it minus, if you take outside means what? This become plus, this will common. This take cancel. Now here is what? 2 cancel. It's 2 into 3a. 2 cancel. Minus a minus 3a is what? Minus 4a. This is what? Minus 2 cancel. Minus 3a minus a is what? Minus 4a. Getting or not? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So this is this. If you take minus means what? This become plus actually. This term will common actually. From this if you take minus. So how I will write? Tell me. Denominator what I will have? Same fellow I will get. y2 is equal to 3a by 2 whole square minus 3a square by 2. I am taking common fully. Inside what I will get? Minus 4a. 2 will cancel. Minus a minus 3a minus 4a. Minus 4a. But from this one minus, this become plus. But again, this is minus 4a. This is minus, you know. 2 will cancel. Minus 3a minus a minus 4a. So again, what term I will have? Minus 4a. Sir, are you agree? Denominator what you will get actually? 3a by 2 whole square minus 3a square by 2 whole square. Are you agree? Any doubt? This term I taken common from both minus 4a minus 4a. This is the same thing by whole square. So I don't want to calculate what is this whole thing, and this square I will cancel. So okay or not?
sir.
Are you clear
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Am I confusing lot? Because same terms, I don't want to simplify. 3a square by 2 whole square minus 3a square by 2. This is what 3a square by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square. From here I minus, I am taking this become plus. So this term and this term I am taking outside. So 3a square by 2 minus 3a square by 2. Then this is minus 4a. This plus into minus 4a, again minus 4a. Same thing I return. Correct? So this denominator same thing, 3a by 2 whole square minus 3a square by 2. This whole square and this term cancel. Now total balance term is what? Tell me.
Minus 8a by.
Denominator what will get? 9a square by 4. 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. Simplify. 6. The 9a square minus 6a square means 3a square by 4. Correct? Any doubt? Balance denominator is what, sir? Again 3a square by 4. Are you agree or not? Take LCM 4. 2 the 6. 9a square minus 3a square is what? 9 minus 6. 3a square. 3a square by 4. Okay or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Minus 8a by what will get denominator? 3a square by 4. Huh? Huh?
Yes, sir. 3a square by 4.
So this square, this cancel. Correct? Huh? So this is equal to what? Minus 8 divided by 3a by 4. This is equal to what? 4 will goes up. 4 into 8 is what? 32 minus 32 divided by 3a. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to y2. Now, what is row formula? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. So, 1 plus y1 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 square means 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus 32 divided by 3a. So what you will do, radius of curvature cannot be negative. Don't take negative value. Positive value you can write. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
this is what? 2 power 3 by 2 minus 32 by 3a. Minus it don't take. Rho cannot be negative. So rho is equal to what? 2 power 3 by 2 divided by 32 divided by 3a. Correct, sir? So this is what? 2 root 2 into 3a by 32. So still this is what? 16 time will goes. Root 2 into 3a by 16. Still if you want you can cancel, otherwise you can keep. 3 root 2 a by 16. So rho is equal to 3 root 2 a by 16. Copy down fast. If you want a previous step, I will show. So how to apply, that is very, very important. Nothing is there. From first I will come right. You see, check the correct answer or not. I will check. Yes. 3a root 2 is written. I am writing 3 root 2a. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I will give some problems. This you can note down and practice. Find the radius of curvature. X to the power of 4, y to the power of 4 is equal to 1 at 1 comma 1 2 xy is equal to 30 at 3 comma 10. Third question. I want to give some zero problem. Y square is equal to x into x minus 2 x minus 5 at x is equal to 2. This problem, what will happen is, see, you have to get x and y value. If you put x is equal to 2, means y value is what? Tell me. What is y value?
0, sir.
So y is equal to 0 means what? Dy by dx means what? 1 y will go down. So carefully you can do formula, you can change. What you will do? 1 plus x1 square by x2 square. Correct? 1 plus x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2 you can do. So dy by dx becomes 0. So that's why it's given this problem. Carefully you can do. Same problems. These are. Just try to do if we have a time. Y square is equal to x square into x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 at y is equal to 0. This is also infinite, you will get. Change the formula and you can do. Now we see. Radius of curvature, rho for parametric equations already given, but they don't use any textbook parametric. Just you can formula I can remember, but I never use this formula. Suppose x is f of theta, y is function of theta. Then rho is equal to what I given? X dot square plus y dot square whole power 3 by 2 minus xy minus yx. X is single dot, y is double dot. Y is single dot, x is double dot. So where x dot is equal to what? Dx by d theta. X double dot is equal to what? D square x by d theta square. Similarly, y dot is equal to what? dy by d theta. So y double dot is what? D square y by d theta square. So these are all, remember, this is the parametric equation formula. X dot square plus y dot square whole power 3 by 2. X dot xy minus yx. X is single dot, y is double dot. Y is single dot, x is double dot. Copy it fast. And before going, Kapit sir,
Yes, sir.
shall I move? See,
Yeah.
I want to tell you actually in lower standard parametric equation, suppose y is equal to f of theta, x is equal to f of theta, means dy by dx what you will find, how you will find, tell me. Remember or not? Function of survival, there is different formula, minus fx by fy. This is ordinary in 11th and 12th standard. X is function of theta, y is function of theta, means dy by dx how you will do?
dy by d theta whole divided by dx by dt.
Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Suppose if I want second derivative, means what you will do? This you will get in terms of theta only. So what you will write? D by d theta of dy by dx into extra what you will do? Dx by dt. Are you remember or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Dy by dx will get in terms of theta anyway answer. So d square y by dx square while doing this, what this fellow you will do with respect to theta into what you will write? Sorry, d theta by dx, not dx by theta. Reverse it reciprocally. Into what you will write? Y I will tell you theta by dx. But generally they will give parametric equation, they will use first formula only. They will find dy by dx and d square by dx they will do. Then they will use rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square by whole power 3 by 2 into y2 they will use. That's what I'm telling you. There no need to do, but you can remember formula. Any 1 marks comes means what may be useful for you. Clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Small problems we do. Later I will tell the send the notes that you can check.
So, do you have notes for the previous chapters also, sir?
Notes previous chapter, what chapter actually? Panchnas or
Ah, yes, sir.
I will send you PDF notes is there. I want to check actually. I'll upload.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
But Panchnas will separate videos are there actually. In BSc, BTech one section is there. There you can go and see full videos are there. Separately I've done, not class videos. Directly for everyone I done. Anyway, this notes I will send you. Don't worry. See. Take question. Find the next question. Find the points on the parabola. On the parabola. X is equal to 80 square, comma, y is equal to 280. Actually, no need to give x is equal to 80 square. If they given 80 square, comma, 280 means you'll understand why I will tell you. At this is what find the points upon, find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature you can write. Okay. So actually, parametric equation means what it will satisfy everywhere. Y square is equal to 4x means what is the parametric equation? Y square is equal to 4x means parametric equation is what already I have done plus 2 level. What is this only? X is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Suppose ellipse means what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This point will satisfy everywhere in parabola. If you set E, whatever may be value to it, set satisfies. This is parametric. Changing the quantity is parametric. Similarly, x square by a square means y square b equal to what is the parametric equation? X is equal to what? Who is x? Tell me. X is equal to some fellow, y is equal to some fellow. This will satisfy. What is the formula? That's parametric equations. Forgetting. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. If two quantities, which quantities if we add, you will get one. You have to see b sin theta. Now if substitute means what? A square will cancel, cos square theta plus sin square equal to 1. So this is the parameter for what? Ellipse. Hyperbola, what you will get? This is what? Such a way you can choose x and y, that should be 1. This trigonometric parameter, which 2 become minus which square minus which square is equal to 1, you will get. Tell me what is x here? Very
A
good.
sec theta.
X is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to what?
B tan
So
theta.
obviously this is already standard notations. Then already you studied a rectangular parabola. Xy is equal to c square. What is parametric equation? X is equal to what? X is equal to ct. Y is equal to what? You have to get c square. So y should be what?
C by T.
These all are remember or not? I think phonics session you studied, you know.
Yes. Partially forgot.
Yes, these are parametric questions. Okay, so now x 80 square come to 80 means you understand, no need to give x is equal to 80 square, y to give obviously parabola. So means what? X is function of t, y is function of t. Now we can use parametric equation, or they never use parametric equation. Normal root formula only will use. So general formula if they ask me. Now what is the radius of curvature? I will use this only. Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 square. But y1 what I will get actually? Dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Correct? Now who is y? 280. Yeah? Y is equal to 280. Now dy by dt is equal to what I will get? Dy by dt is equal to what? 2a. Then dx by dt, x is equal to 80 square. So dx by dt is what? 280. Now y1 is equal to what? What is y1 value? Two a by 280.
1 by
1 by t. Now second derivative, how you will tell me? Y2 is equal to this, you can differentiate with respect to t minus 1 by t square into extra term, what you will write? dt by dx. Correct? Right or wrong?
yes sir, correct sir.
So y2 is equal to available, because I am not using parametric, actually formula only I am using. Y2 is equal to what? Minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. What is dx by dt? 280. So reciprocal, make it reciprocal. What is y1?
9.
Huh? What? What is y1? One by t. One by t square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is what? Minus 1 by 2a t cube. But actually radius of curvature cannot be negative. So this what you will get? T square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by t square whole power 3 by 2, that is t cube. Correct, sir? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Divided by t square, then divided by this what you will get? Minus not required. Radius of curvature cannot be negative. 1 by 2a t cube. So this is equal to what? T square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by t square into 2a t cube by 1. This t square, this t cube will cancel. So this t cube will cancel. Correct? Now answer is what? Rho is equal to 2at into t square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Why this problem I have done means what? So no need to go for the parametric equation, just we are doing the general only, general formula 1 plus y1 square like this. Copy down, okay? Problem copy down.
Sir,
Yes.
in the final answer, it will be only 2a into t square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2.
What? Why?
Sir, because when we take the t square from the denominator outside, it will be also multiplied, like into 3 by 2 into 2 in the power.
That's t cube.
So the denominator t cube, both the denominators will be
Acha,
cancelled. Right?
same, right? Sorry, sir. There's t square I written, right? Thank you. So here t cube, I think so. Acha. Thank you. So this is what? T cube actually. T cube. So t cube cancel. Correct, sir. 2a into t square. Thank you. So like this you can do. Already polar form given. You know what is the polar form? Radius of curvature and polar coordinates. So if r is equal to f of theta means can use this formulas, you can use and try. Next, okay, this is okay. Okay, now we go for the center of curvature. Next topic is what? Center of curvature. You have to find the centers. Okay, so I'll take next slide actually. What is time? Time is there enough up to we have class 12:30 to 2:20. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Up to what time?
220.
Center 210.
No, not 2:20.
2:15.
Yes.
210.
Wait. I will see and tell you.
2:15, sir. It's 2:15.
2.
15, sir.
15.
2:15, sir.
Then 20 minutes are there. We take some time and we can stop. Okay. Okay, slide 2. Next topic is center of center of curvature means you have to find center set, like center how much from the center you have to find out. Just a formula I will do. X bar is equal to centers you should find out. X bar is equal to x minus y1 plus yn plus y1 square divided by y2, where y1 is no dy by dx. Similarly, y bar is equal to y plus y1 into, not no y1 here, sorry, So formula for centers you can copy down. It's called center formula. First you have to find center. Then circle of curvature different. This is center formula. Formula for the centers actually. This is not. Note down x bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. For this only y2, not for x. Y plus is what? 1 plus y1 square by y2. So take one question. Clear up here, clear, okay? Any problem?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Question actually. Find the center of curvature of the curve. Y is equal to 3x cube plus 3 square minus 3 minus 0 comma minus 3. Just you know formula x bar is equal to what? What is x bar now only given? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Y is equal to 1 plus y1 square by y2. Now write the formula first. X bar, y bar you have to find out. What is x bar? X minus y1 into y1 square plus 1, sorry, 1 plus y1 square and reverse by written. Y2. Y bar means what? Y plus 1 plus y1 square all divided by y2. Now we can find y1. What is my y1 here? Tell me. What is y1 for this equation?
9x square
9x square plus 4x.
4
Substituted at 0 comma minus 3. 0. Y1 is equal to 0 or not? Correct? Huh? Check. 0 comma minus 3 point. So full thing collapses. Yes. Y1 is equal to 0. Then if you go y2, then substituted what you are getting, tell me. What is y1? Tell me. What is the question? 3x cube means
9x square plus 4x square
9x square plus
4x
4x. So y1 net 0 comma minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Then y2 y2 at 0 comma minus 3, what you will get? 4, correct? Huh? So y1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 4. Now formula is what? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 1. Sorry. Now here x is equal to what? 0. So x bar is equal to 0, totally 0, correct? Huh? 0. This y1 also what? 0. So whole thing collapse. So x bar is equal to 0. Any doubt? Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
X value 0,
Yes.
sir. Because y1 also 0, fully collapse. So x bar is equal to what? 0. Correct? Now y bar formula is what? Y plus 1 plus y1 square whole by y2. Y bar. Who is y here actually? Minus 3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 plus 1 plus y1 is what? 1 plus 0. Correct? 1. Divided by y2 is what? 4, huh?
Yes, sir. 4.
So is what? Minus 12 plus 1 by 4. So that is y bar is equal to what?
Sir, 1 by 2 getting, sir.
Minus 11 by 4. Correct? Huh? Any doubt? 12, sir. Minus 12 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 11 by 4. So center is what? X bar comma y bar is equal to what? 0 comma minus 11 by 4. So center if they ask me, you can do. Any problem, sir? Are you able to do? Say yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Starting where it starts class number, sir?
71, sir.
71, huh?
Present, sir.
Why so tired? 72,
72 present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74, 74, 75.
Present, sir.
I think for you, OD as okay, sir. But you, whether it possible means you can attend the classes, don't miss it. If you go outside, means okay,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
75. Because OD is there, means don't reckless because subject will confuse. You
No, sir.
can,
I'm having attendance, sir.
yes, no. You
Yeah.
can, why I'm telling anyway, if you're not attend also no problem, but you can attend the classes. Attendance
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
matter. Understand the subject, that's what I'm telling, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You check your marks, sir. You got good marks actually.
Yes,
76,
sir. Thank you.
76, not there. 77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81, 82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
84 present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86, not there. 87, not there. 88,
88 present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
91 present, sir.
92,
Present, sir.
93,
Present, sir.
94, 94, 95,
Present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97,
Present, sir.
98, 99,
Present, sir.
100,
Present, sir.
101,
Present, sir.
102.
Present,
Sir,
sir.
Yes.
sir, 74 is present. He has some network issues.
Okay. 103,
Present, sir.
104,
Sir, 98 present, sir.
90.
98.
Okay. 104, 104, 105,
Present, sir.
106,
Present, sir.
107,
Present, sir.
108,
Present, sir.
109,
109 present, sir.
110,
Present, sir.
111,
Present, sir.
112,
Present, sir.
113, 114,
Sir, 113 present, sir.
114.
Sir, 113 present.
Okay, 114, 115, 115 present, 116.
Present, sir.
After 116, 123 present,
Present, sir. 123%, sir.
124,
Present, sir.
125,
Present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
Then 5401 series 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
5.
6 present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay. 7,
Left the college.
okay. 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
So 13 is present, sir. He might be reconnecting now.
okay.
He
14,
was present in
okay.
last time.
14 present. 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24,
24 present, sir.
25, 26,
Present, sir.
27, 28,
Present, sir.
30,
Sir, 29.
oh, sorry, 29. Okay. 30,
30 present, sir.
31. Last number 31, I think so, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, absent, sir. 76, 81, 95, 104, 114, 21, 27.
114 present.
Okay.
114.
Okay. 21, 27, 31. 104 also given, I think, sir. Okay, 76, 81, 21, 27, 31. These are the options. Okay, sir, you can
Thank you,
use.
sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, ma.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
present.
21 only coming, huh?
30. No, sir. I was in the, sir.
Then what are you doing when I'm